What up, guys? El Patronn in Brooklyn, Mitsubishi, and look who made it to the show. Mr. Blake Nolan, how are you, sir?
I'm doing great.
How'd you make it out?
How did I make it out?
Yeah, make it out all right?
Yeah, I made it out all right.
Flight was good?
I had a little delay with one of my flights. Had to catch another flight. Had to get up about 3 a.m. this morning. Other than that, I'm here.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
it's good.
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. Glad to have you on the show. Today, I want to talk about the conference, right?
Right.
The Automotive Game Changer Conference. So, what do you think about it? What are you looking forward for it?
I'm just looking forward to hearing from actual people that work at dealerships like yourself and sharing what you've been able to do. Building your brand,
Changing the culture,
right? Social media,
right?
Just embracing, being progressive, embracing innovation, and trying different things, and at the same time giving salespeople the tools
that they
need to be successful, generate their own leads.
It's funny you say that because
and enhance your reputation as well.
Right. Well, it's funny you say that because technology right now, right, and if we embrace it, because most people are afraid of technology, okay? They're afraid of getting behind camera. I was a year ago, before I went to that conference and whatnot. But I want to tell people my story. I want to tell people what happened to me and why I did what I did. And this came out of it. I met people like you, and there's a lot of people fly in every day, right? And they want to meet and they want to pick my brain. But I said, why don't I just put a conference and just give it all out? So for the value that we're giving, I mean, you see the speakers, the lineup, it's crazy.
I mean, it's a phenomenal lineup. It really is.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got
Bradley gonna be there.
You got the all-stars.
Yeah. So and I'm honored that they want to be part of it as well. I just made the call, and that's what it's about: creating connections, creating those relationships that can last for a long time. And it took me 15 years to get here, but I believe it's just getting started. 2019 is going to be a great year, and I thank you for your support. I appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to put a good conference. I never done it, so but I fear nothing. So I think it's going to be a very good conference.
And if you haven't checked it out yet, go to automotivegamechanger.com.
Yes.
Check out the lineup, check out the itinerary, and get your ticket.
Get your ticket, guys. You got free food. We're gonna feed you guys. We also got a cocktail hour as well. It's gonna be sponsored, and I'll be revealing who's sponsoring that. So Cox Automotive, Cars.com, the big players are gonna be there. So we're just excited, and we're gonna put a good event. And it's December 3rd, so why not finish the year with a bang? All right, so I appreciate you coming through.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys, so check it out. Click the link below, automotivegamechange.com. If you guys have any questions, DM me, call me, and share this video. All right, so you might impact somebody else's life. Peace.